Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is how do we get a rich SA type of looking accommodation if it, for example, is unfurnished. How do we make it a budget? How do we make a good budget, make it look rich, and still get a good outcome of getting good bookings? But before we get started, I want you to add me on Instagram. It's Oniru. Subscribe to my channel. Turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 PM when I post. So let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what we're going to discuss is how do we do it? How do we do it? And so from my experience, I have got so much good ideas that I'm going to bring across the table just so you guys can know how to budget on your SA that is unfurnished, or if it's a rent-to-rent property that's unfurnished but you want it to look rich. First thing you need to do is, number one, look into the market. I want to see some writing here. Look into the market. Look into the market, do some research and find out anything that is secondhand, is cheap, good appliances there, and also furniture. Do research, go on Google, go on Yellow Books. All of these simple things you go on. And the perfect thing about this is we are in the 21st century. We can literally tap it on our phone and get that information right away. So guys, what I was saying is, all you have to do is go into your phone, go and search Google, go on Google and literally search secondhand stores that sell secondhand furniture, secondhand appliances. Simple as that. Listen, I've got a property that I'm most probably gonna post, let's say next week. I'm gonna post next week. This is a SA, this one's in Leeds, and what I did was it's a 3-bed, and this specific 3-bed, I got my team to outsource me great secondhand deals in Leeds, and I've got 3-bed with headboard and brain freezing at the moment, mattresses, and that came to, I believe, £530, and that is 3 beds, 2 doubles, 1 single, perfect. Now, if we're going to go into other places, you're going to see it's obviously more, and these are the type of things to make things budget, but at the same time, it's perfect for service accommodation as well, because you're making sure everything looks good in that house. And personally, it's so good to work with the director, so the manufacturer as well, because things come much more cheaper as well. So that is one for you guys. Make sure you be taking notes. So guys, also the next thing that I will also speak about is, make sure when you want to get anything cheap, don't just go to Gumtree and find it. What you need to do is test out as well. So for example, a bed, you don't go get a whole cheap bed and it's not nice, especially the mattress as well. So make sure your team member or yourself sits down on it, feels it, lie down, act like you're a tenant or a guest, so you know how it's gonna be. Okay guys, and also the next thing we're gonna speak about is, listen guys, when it comes to service accommodation or rent-to-rent, you do not need to spend so much money in it. I always honestly tend to get fully furnished properties. Only one-offs is when I actually get them that are unfurnished, and it's because sometimes it's worth it. So this specific property that I'm speaking about, it's £900 a month, which is perfect. So very doable. I know that I could definitely scale with that number for that 3-bed. It's so modern as well. In my next YouTube clip, I'm most probably going to show the before and afters as well, so you guys can see it with me. But yeah, this is literally what I do, and this is how I could get great property, not spending much on it at all. Like, give yourself a budget of at least 700, 800 to spend on it, and then you'll literally get what you need from there, literally. Okay guys, comment down below guys, make sure you comment down below, tell me what you thought about this. Also add me on Instagram, it's Oniru. Also subscribe to my channel, and guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.